Rob, I have 2 rubber bands. White one, red one.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to arrange them so that the white one hangs free. I feed the red one through the white one. The red one is doubled, and then put finger and thumb through the doubled red rubber band. White one hangs free, doubled red rubber band attaches them to finger and thumb circle. Now, without moving finger or thumb apart, can you think of a way of making the rubber bands reverse position so that the red one hangs free and the white one is doubled?
I imagine I'd take that bit of the white band and pull it down until it was doubled and then sort of shuffle the whole lot round a bit and see what happens.
No, you don't need to do anything as complicated as that. Simply grab hold of the red rubber band here and pull. And they've changed position.
Let go.
They really have. Red one's free. All right? Take the white one here and tug. And they're back in the original positions.
Easy when you know how.
Yeah, it really does work. And that's all for today's Curiosity Show.
Goodbye.
Bye.
I want to know. Curiosity.